In your local news, Minnesota State University Mankato is partnering with Mayo Clinic Health System to form what they call a strategic collaboration. The new agreement will focus on 3 areas according to the announcement: education experiences, health and well-being, and research. Details of the collaboration will be laid out further on Thursday as MSU President Edward Inch will address stakeholders during a private celebration event.